morning, everybody. It is 8:30, I think, and I just put Olivia down for a nap. She's upstairs in her bassinet because I am trying to get her used to napping up there, not in her swing anymore, because I think she'll just have better naps if she's swaddled, it's darker, and her noise machine's on, as opposed to like hearing, you know, random noises from her sister and it being brighter down here. So yeah, that's what we're trying. I thought that the whole sleeping through the night streak was gonna last. I was wrong. Last night she got up every like 3 hours, and lately from 3 to like 4 or 3 till 3:30 to 4:30, she's wide awake. And I don't know why. And I can't get her to go back to sleep. It takes quite some time. So I'm a little tired today. I'm not gonna lie. I do the same routine every night, so I'm assuming it's purely developmental, and I mean, we're laying down the foundation for good sleep. It's gonna be, you're gonna have your ups and downs. So the one thing I will take away from this, let's see, she's starting to fuss now, so I'll have to go back up, as a win, is that she now goes down between like 7:30 and 8:30. Like for the night, she'll be down. Well, not for the whole night, like she will wake up, but I mean, we can put her down then, where it used to take till like 11 or sometimes midnight to get her down. So that is a win, because I've got some me time back, and Colin and I have some time to spend together. But then when I went to bed at 10, this is the other funny thing. I tried the dream feed at 10 o'clock when I went to bed. So I picked her up. She was asleep, picked her up. She kind of does a little, like wakes up a little bit. I went to put her on the boob, and she literally just had her face like resting on my nipple. She did not open her mouth. I tried getting her to open her mouth and like tickling her nose or whatever, and she did not nurse. So she just fell asleep like on my boob. So I was like, okay, night feeds don't always work, because, or not night feeds, dream feeds don't always work, because I tried dream feeding her and she didn't latch. She was just like passed out on my boob. So I was like, okay, that didn't work. So then I put her down at 10, and then she woke up at 11:30. So that was only an hour and a half for me, but for her, she went down at like 8. So that was a 3.5 hour stretch for her. But anyways, I just thought that was funny. It made me laugh, and I was like, I'm not doing this dream feed anymore, because clearly I can't wake her up to nurse. So anyways, it's another gloomy day today. Blakey's bed rails came in for her big girl bed, so I'm really excited, because I don't know if we'll put it together tonight. It depends how much work it is, but we might, and we're gonna try her in her big girl bed and then transition Olivia into her crib and all that jazz. And this is Blakey's potty that she got. It's only $30 on Amazon, so I can link it down below, but it's so cute. It has the little happy face, and this thing is like, it goes like that, and then she can lift up the toilet and sit. This part pulls out, and you can put toilet paper there, and it has like a thing that we have to put in it still, where when she pees, it plays music, like a congratulatory music. So I thought that was really cute. So we are starting the process. Obviously, she might not be developmentally, she's very smart, so I think she'll get it really quickly, because she is just, where's my, there we go, because she is so smart, and she already tells me when she has to pee or poo. See, Olivia's quiet again, so I don't go up if she fusses, because sometimes she'll soothe herself. But anyways, Blake will tell me if she's peed or pooped. So, or she'll go, mommy, pee-pees. I say, okay, let's go to the potty. Then she'll walk over to the potty, then I'll pull her pants down and she'll sit on it, but then nothing happens. But at least she knows to tell me. I think that's pretty good. I mean, Colin was potty trained super early. I was late, a late bloomer, but we're at least introducing it. We're not forcing it. We're just saying, this is where you go pee-pee and poo-poo. So then as she gets older, then we'll be a bit more, like try a bit more. But I think she'll be trained early, because she's just, you know, she's ridiculously smart. And I know that they also have to have the muscle development too. Like, it's not just about, you know, intelligence. She also has to be emotionally ready, and she has to have the muscle control to hold her pee and her poop, and understand that she has to hold it and then go to the bathroom. So I know it's a lot of parts, but we're just playing right now. We're introducing it, getting her comfortable with it, and so far that's going well. I'm rambling this morning, but I also wanted to show you, I got a dress from Marshall's for Blakey's birthday party. I like white. This is cream, but I always gravitate towards like cream and white for dresses. It's just like one of those sheath dress, I think is that what it's called? It doesn't have shape, it's just like straight down, but I thought it was so pretty with like this neckline, and it has a lining that's built in. And yeah, it's a size 4. And yeah, I really like it. It's quite pretty. I don't know, it's just classic and pretty. And I could also like dress this up or dress it down, like throw on flip-flops and it's casual. Or I could like do up my hair, wear some fancy jewelry, put on heels, and then it's a bit fancier. So I really like that. And I also got a bathing suit to show you because I needed a new bathing suit, like so bad. So, and I'm not about that 2-piece life anymore just because of my tummy. And I don't like high-waisted bottoms. I think they look like granny panties. So that's just my opinion. So I got this one. I thought it was kind of cute from Marshall's. I believe this is a medium because I'm never a small in bathing suits, let's be real. Multi-fit cup, I think it's a medium. Anyways, so it's got like the, like a built-in bra so it'll hold up the girls. And I just thought it was really cute. I like it because it's got like the ruching here. And yeah, I thought it was pretty cute. I mean, you know, it's not like sexy or anything, but I needed something kind of more practical because Blakey, we're gonna enroll her in her swimming class again and I have to go in the water with her. So I wanted something like practical, and then before we go away in February, I know it's a long way away, but we're already planning. I have to get Olivia's passport too. I have to do that this week, her passport photos. But I just wanted something practical for now, and then when we do go away, I'll get something a little sexier. I have another suit that's kind of sexy because it's like cut out here at the side and it's a 1-piece, but I just wanted something practical for her swim class, and I don't want to look like a hoochie mama, so that's my bathing suit. This was 30 bucks at Marshall's because I'm not about paying $80 for a swimsuit. And I believe the dress was $29.99. So there's that. I've talked long enough. I'm gonna clean up from breakfast while Olivia's sleeping and get some housework done. I actually got a lot accomplished this morning. I'm still not dressed, it's 10 o'clock. Olivia was only down for 20 minutes upstairs. But in that 20 minutes, I dusted my living room, and I cleaned the bathroom, and I washed the stairs, going up the stairs, and just tidied up a little bit. Blakey did some more painting. Then I had to go get Olivia. So while I was holding Olivia, as she was kind of sleeping, I did the Blog Lottie's 5-minute leg workout, and my legs are like killing me. Plus I did about 30 squats on top of that. And then I just put her down. She's in the swing because honestly, I find as much as I'd love to get Olivia napping in her bassinet, I find it because she wakes up so much, it's really hard with a toddler downstairs to go upstairs and then try and get Olivia down, then come back down, then 5 minutes later have to go back up because I have to watch Blake. So you know what, I'm just gonna give myself some grace and let her sleep in her swing down here so I could, you know, keep an eye on my Blakeys. What are you doing? Are you eating crayons? Oh, we're eating crayons. Okay, I'll be back. Point, my toddler eats crayons when I'm not paying attention to her. I actually got myself somewhat put together. I just threw my hair in a bun and I just put on mascara and a bit of concealer. I kind of like leaving my face bare lately, especially if I'm not going anywhere. Anyways, I have a lot of lettuce to wash because my mom's coming for lunch. So I've got these and this to wash. And then we're good to go. The sun did come out, so it's finally nice outside. Surprisingly enough, I was able to get quite a bit done today. It's already like 4:15. What is on my phone? Anyways, it's already like 4:15. Olivia's living her best life in her swing. She loves it. But she still like will not sleep anywhere but on me. I tried the swing, my mom tried. She's fine went to be rocked, and then as soon as I put her down, she starts to cry. So she's awake right now because I just put her down. But I had to get some stuff done. So I cleaned the shower upstairs using vinegar and Dawn dish soap because I heard that gets scum off. Good job, baby. And I just kind of cleaned up this area, washed the stairs, cleaned that bathroom, dusted in here. I want to wash the floors tonight as well. And I'm gonna make Instant Pot macaroni and cheese for supper. Look at her. The poor thing's got nothing to look at, but yet she loves it in there. Right, Livy? Livy finally pooped for the first time in 3 days. She had like a huge blowout. My mom was here for it. I was in the backyard with Blakey. So she had a big poop, didn't she, Bee? It went like all up her back. So my mom had to clean it, and then I had to do a load of laundry. But the sun is shining, it's so nice. I'm so tired. I didn't get to nap because I was holding Olivia while I was editing my video. So there's that. Colin's gonna be home with Walmart grocery pickup, so I will show you guys that later too. But I really wanna clean out my fridge because every time we go grocery shopping, I like to clean it out. There's beer falling. So this is meat that Colin bought for like family and friends that still have to pick it up. But I just like to clean it out and make it like fresh, because look at this is ridiculous. So I want to do that, but I know Miss Olivia is gonna fuss like any minute, so I'm just like, oh my god, maybe I could do it really quick. So this is all the crap that I have to get rid of that's either expired or like pretty well empty or old or just compartments. And I tried to organize it a little bit, and I'm just gonna, I went through the crispers as well. Oh no, I didn't go through this one. So I still have turkey. That's not expired, is it? June 5th. So we're good. And I've got bacon. I have cheese back here. So that's all good. And I just have to wipe it out. So how many of you actually wash your garbage can? I'm actually kind of curious to know. So I always put Dawn dish soap or like a vinegar mixture or method, although I'm pretty well out of this one, and clean it out, I'd say once a week-ish, because it gets really dirty, and I do scrub it a little bit too. So let me know in the comments below if you guys do that. So guess who's back in my arms? Because she just does not want to be put down. So I'm holding her till she's more asleep, and then I'm going to try putting her down. I know you're not supposed to do that, but listen, it's weird because at night she will put herself to sleep. During the day, forget about it. Like, she just wants to be held in the day, which is really funny. And a lot of you said to me on one of my last vlogs that 8 weeks is supposed to be like the fussiest time, and she's 9 weeks, but her corrected age would be 6 weeks. So oh god. I don't know if that makes a difference, but hopefully we're in the clear. But she still really just wants to be held. But look at that sweet face. Oh my god, she's so cute. She actually reminds me of my brother. Like, she kind of looks like my brother, and my brother and I looked a lot alike when we were little. Now we don't look anything alike, but so I don't know what she's gonna look like. She kind of looks more like Blake, I think. And a lot of you said Colin, but I honestly think if she was bald, no one would say Colin. I think it's just because she has his hair, but otherwise I don't see Colin. And if she is bald, I don't think anybody would see Colin. Everyone just kind of sees Blake. So we'll see who she's gonna look like, but I'm just rocking her. My back's killing me. You think I'd be a size 2 at this point, but I'm not. And actually, I looked back on one of my posts from being postpartum with Blake, and I didn't get back down to my pre-pregnancy weight until I was 5 months postpartum, 4 or 5 months postpartum, and I'm only 2 months postpartum. So I need to just chill on like the weight loss. I've gone up back to 8 pounds, not like gone up 8 pounds. I'm back to still needing to lose 8 pounds. So you know what, I'm not restricting calories. I don't believe in that, especially when breastfeeding. I'm just trying to pick healthier foods like Lara bars, and I have a salad every day, as you guys know, and eggs with a really good quality bread. I just bought a big like $20 tub of like mixed nuts, because I love nuts, like almonds, and it's got like cashews and stuff, and that's high in fat, but it's healthy fat. So I'm gonna snack on stuff like that, and just more vegetables and stuff. And if it comes off, it comes off. I am slowly starting to exercise a bit more. Like, I did like 10 minutes of like a HIIT thing today. I'll just slowly work my way up. And as you guys know, when the weather's nice, I do lots of walking. And I swear to God, holding a 15 pound, well, she's probably 14 pounds. I'll find out on Friday, but she's about 14 or 15 pounds. And my mom and I measured her length today. She's 23 inches long. So, you would think that by rocking constantly and holding a baby this size with my back hurting and my arms hurting, that would account for something. But who knows? I mean, I know muscle does way more than fat, and I definitely put on muscle since having both girls just from rocking big babies. But oh god, my arm. But anyways, what I'm trying to say is I'm just gonna chill and, like, you know, it is what it is, and it's just a number on the scale, and as long as I'm fit and healthy, then who cares, right? I wanted to share with you guys, these are the vitamins that I give Blakey. She gets 2 of these a day right here, and 1 of this one. So this is just the Mighty Vites. It's like a multi-vitamin, and she loves it. It's got no gluten, no peanuts, no tree nuts, no eggs, no milk, no fish, and no soy. And then she gets this elderberry gummies for immune support, and it's gluten-free. So she gets those 2. They're both on Amazon. I can link them down below, but I'm gonna give that to her now. Got the Instant Pot on. I just put it to pressure cook for 5 minutes, so it's just heating up. And you just put in like the noodles, 4 cups of chicken broth, 2 tablespoons of butter, a shot of hot sauce, a shot of garlic powder, like about a teaspoon of garlic powder, salt and pepper. Let that cook on high pressure for 5 minutes, and then when it's done, you do the quick release, open the lid, throw in the cheese. You can add milk. I find I never need to add milk because it's already kind of runny, so that's all you do. It's amazing. I love my Instant Pot. I actually want to get a bigger one. Okay, so Blake's supper is the Instant Pot mac and cheese, some cucumber, and these are veggie tots that I just got. I think they're green. No, they're Yeeves veggie tots, or veggie. Hold on, let me get them. They're Yeeves. Where are they? These veggie nuggets. And they're super healthy and packed full of protein. So she's gonna get that, and I'll link these silicone plates down below too. Okay, B, mommy's gotta take your coloring. And then I gotta dish out Colin's and mine. So there's your supper. Good morning. I forgot to end the vlog yesterday because Colin came home with the groceries. We were in the middle of feeding, actually feeding Olivia, and he was feeding Blake, and then we put the groceries away. It was just really busy, so I didn't get to film, but you know, it's mom life. So I'm gonna start another vlog now, so I will see you guys in a minute, but tomorrow for you. Bye.